Step outside at dusk and feel it. A pale stain on the horizon, the kind of glow you'd blame on city lights, until it grows a tail. Then a second visitor creeps in, timed to the very week the sky goes pitch black with the new moon. Not a trailer, not VFX. Two real comets, C2025 R2, SWAN, and C2025 A6, Lemmon, arriving days apart, bright enough for binoculars and the naked eye. But here's the question no one asks. What happens when two ancient strangers share the same stage under the darkest sky of the year? Stay with me, because in minutes you'll know what they are, when to look, where to point, why they glow green, and how to catch a once-in-a-lifetime window before it slams shut. 1. The double omen. Two strangers, one dark stage. The calendar has dealt skywatchers a rare overlap. SWAN brushes past Earth around October 19th to 20th, 2025, while Lemmon reaches closest approach on October 21st and races on to perihelion November 8th. That new moon week means the sky itself cooperates. October 21st to 22nd is essentially moonless, so even subtle Comets and short tails can stand out if your horizon is clean. Let's anchor the stakes. SWAN comes within 24 million miles, 39 million km, brightening into the Mag 4 to 6 zone with occasional outbursts. Geometry puts it low in the west, southwest after sunset. Easier from the southern hemisphere in early October, improving for northern observers near October 19th to 20th. If you've chased a horizon-hugging comet before, you know the ritual. Arrive early, pick an absolutely unobstructed west, and stay as the sky drops from cobalt to ink. Don't scan and run. Give the scene 45 minutes to evolve. Lemmon is the slow burn headline. Discovered January 3rd, 2025, Mount Lemmon survey, brightening through early October. Ephemerides align on key beats. Closest to Earth October 21st, 0.60 AU. Perihelion November 8th, 0.53 AU. Forecasts cluster around Mag 3, for at best under dark skies. Borderline naked eye, solid in binoculars. It tracks favorable evening paths for northern latitudes through mid-October, drifting among familiar star fields before trending sunsetward later in the month. If SWAN is the jump scare right after dusk, Lemmon is the presence that deepens night by night. Then nature adds a third act, the Orionid meteor shower, peaking October 20th to 21st. No moonlight. Dark air. Occasional streaks cutting through as two comets glow above you. That isn't just astronomy, it's cinema. If clouds threaten, pick two dates between October 19th to 23rd. Comets and weather both have moods. The planning punchline. Block off two sunsets and treat them like appointments. Night 1. SWAN. Face west/southwest 20 to 40 minutes after sunset. Night 2. Lemmon. Give the evening sky time as it brightens through its Earth pass. Only one night. Make it October 21st. New moon. Orionids in play. Both visitors within reach. Commit now, because hesitation is how sky shows turn into regrets. Next up, timing isn't the strangest part. The real surprise is the color they bleed into the night. 2. The eerie green. Here's the twist that makes comets feel haunted. Sunlight hits gases boiling off the nucleus, and a fragile molecule, diatomic carbon, C2, gets excited and glows emerald. Cameras make it blaze. Even by eye you may catch a greenish coma crowning the core. But beware, the emerald is a trickster. It crowns the head, not the tail. Expecting a neon streak like Hollywood is how people miss the real thing. Why green? Ultraviolet light breaks down carbon compounds in the coma, leaving short-lived carbon pairs that fluoresce at just the right wavelengths. The green shines brightest near the head, where fresh gas is densest. The tails tell another story. A bluish ion tail, solar wind carving a straight blade, and a broader, paler dust tail, sunlight reflecting off grains. Comet ZDF 2023 showed the palette perfectly. A green crown, a blue sword, a silver veil, 3 colors, 1 ghostly visitor. Why this matters now? SWAN has already shown outbursts, so its look can change in days. A tight coma tonight may unfurl a longer ion tail tomorrow. Lemmon is intensifying toward November 8th perihelion. Recent astro images report richer tail structure and a healthier coma than in early September. Translation: your friend's photo from 2 nights ago is not what you'll see tonight. You're watching chemistry and plasma physics live. Hunting tips that match the physics. SWAN. Treat the first 45 minutes after sunset as a slow reveal. It's low in the west/southwest, fighting twilight. Use binocular sweeps to pop the coma, then nudge to trace tail structure. Southern observers had the early October edge. Near October 19th to 20th, northern viewers get a fairer shot, but the horizon challenge remains. Your biggest free upgrade is a dead-clear western horizon. Lemmon. Mid-October evenings, especially near October 21st, give a higher, more forgiving target. Predicted Mag 3 for puts it on the cusp of unaided visibility at dark sites. In suburbs, 7 by 50 to 15 by 70 binoculars are your best friend. Let dark adaptation work. 10 minutes and you see more. 30 minutes and the sky transforms. And the kicker, when you see green, you're watching ancient carbon ices, leftovers from the solar system's construction, wake under sunlight after thousands of years in deep freeze. That's not just color, it's origin you can witness with your own eyes. Next, the windows are brutal. Miss them, and there are no reruns. 3. Miss it windows. This week isn't convenient. It's unrepeatable. Lemmon's inbound orbit clocks about 1,350 years, with an outbound solution around 1,150 years after perihelion. So this specific return is beyond a human lifetime. SWAN's period lives on the scale of many thousands of years. Its closest approach is 0.26 AU on October 20th. If you want to say, I saw them when the moon went dark, this is the week to manufacture luck. Lock the key beats. SWAN, discovered September 11th, 2025 via the SWAN camera aboard Soho, credited to Vladimir Bazugli. Brightness Mag 4 to 6, with known outbursts. Best low in the west/southwest right after sunset. Early October favored southern latitudes. October 19th to 20th is the northern opening. Arrive 30 minutes before sunset to set sight lines. After sunset, sweep at 10 to 25 degrees altitude and pan slowly. Twilight glare punishes quitters. The patient get payoff. Lemmon, discovered January 3rd, 2025, Mount Lemmon survey. Closest Earth approach October 21st, 0.60 AU. Perihelion November 8th, 0.53 AU. Current ephemerides, Mag 6 and brightening early October, with projections to Mag 3 to 4 at best. Northern observers, friendly evening placement mid-October through Lynx/Ursa major/Leo minor paths, passing near COR Carolee mid-month, then trending sunward later. Plan an hour-long session on or just before October 21st at a dark site. Scan 40 to 60 degrees up and track night-to-night drift. Stack the deck. The new moon lands right on this window. Zero moonlight during the tightest nights. Add Orionids, October 20th to 21st, and you get darkness plus extras, the recipe that turns a faint fuzzball into a memory that brands itself in you. If you're under Bortle 7 to 9 skies, bright suburbs to inner city, drive until you can at least trace the Milky Way. A Mag 4 Comet in darkness can vanish in city glow. Dark skies multiply brightness more than expensive gear ever will. Quick checklist. Pick 2 nights between October 19th to 23rd, 1 for SWAN, 1 for Lemmon. For SWAN, face W/SW 20 to 40 minutes after sunset. For Lemmon, plan an evening session and check a live chart the same day. Bring binoculars, 7 times 50, 15 times 70. Give it 45 to 60 minutes, and let your eyes adapt. Tail logic. Ion tails point away from the sun. Dust tails curve along the orbit. Sketching helps you see more. Odds are all you can control, but sometimes odds are enough. Final question. What does it mean to catch the universe in the act, twice, in a single week? This is the kind of sky story that never reruns. 2 ancient visitors slip across a darkened stage, and you decide whether you were there to greet them. Pack binoculars. Find a sight. Give the night time. Maybe you'll catch a faint haze, or maybe the sky writes its name in green and silver right above you. The universe doesn't send invitations twice. These October nights are your only ticket. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world and keeps our journey going.